In the unlikely event that this drain fitting gets damaged, either from too much tension on the hose or someone bumps it with something, we do have a repair kit for that that's very simple to use. So the first thing you want to do is remove any broken pieces of the old drain spout from your rain barrel. Then you drill an 1¼ inch hole, and your repair kit will come with a rubber gasket, which then you push into the hole. And in the repair kit there's also a new drain valve. So you notice on this one there's two different threads. There's a thinner one and a larger one. The thinner one goes in the hole. Now rewrap the drain spout with Teflon tape. Apply your new shutoff valve and you're good to go.